Good morning. Good morning. Sonia, Denise, Maria. Beautiful. Good morning, everybody. Going swimming. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh my God. Sena, good morning. The sun rises like about after like about 7:05, 7:07. I'm just gonna do my thing and I have to keep on going because I'm competing this weekend. So yes, Sonia. Hi, everybody. Having my cafecito. Oh, you killer. I wish I had my cafecito. No, that sure. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's go swimming. Enjoy it. Relax. Yeah, I'm going in the water today. very strong. Very strong. Wow. Woo. How is everybody doing? I hope fine. Wow, it's rough. It looks like nothing, but it's rough. Hi, Mo. Wow. Very. Hi, everybody. Let me turn on this little. Okay, so the sun rises. Hola, Mo, ¿cómo estás? Glenda. Yes, the clouds, everything is beautiful. Very nice. Wow. So the sun rises like about 7:07, but I don't think I'm gonna wait that long. I have things to do. Marta Soto, buenos días. Endless gardens listening to the sound of the ocean. It's amazing, gardens and everything. Yes, Marta. It's lovely. Oh, great, Sandy. Awesome. I hope you had a great workout. Yes, Patty. Beautiful, huh? I'm just enjoying this beautiful. relaxing morning. I'm taking it easy. I wish that the ocean wasn't that rough. It looked like inviting, but when you get there, the current is strong. Yes, es un sonido sumamente hermoso, Dora. No hay como el sonido del mar. El sonidos de Dios. Sonidos de la creación divina. There's nothing like the sound of creation. Right? Right. Well, I don't know what's going on with you guys. You know what's going on with me. Let's see. Not much happening so far yet here. I will take you for a ride. When? Cuando, Patty? When? That will be nice. Really, Sonia? Wow. Corazoncito, how are you? Good morning. Well, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Corazoncito. I feel wonderful. This weekend, Denise Pagan, I am competing in Tampa. And hi, good morning. And this is the competition in which they opened the new category, Women Over 70, just for me. So we have a new category in the bodybuilding world. We are making history this coming weekend, first time. In history, women over 70, we have their own category that they can compete, so they don't have to compete with 50 or 40 or 60 like I do. I compete with everybody because I am ageless. Wow. Yes, Denise, isn't that amazing? New category. So, but I probably cross over to open class like I always do, because I don't wanna get into the box, you know. I think it's a great honor. It's history. It's breaking barriers or breaking the glass ceiling, whatever. I don't break the glass ceiling. I'm in universal glass ceiling. There is another 2 women, I think. I think it's another 2 women. But you know what I mean. We're in Tampa. Oh, Sandy, check out in Tampa. Check out Team Garner Production. Team Garner Productions. It's gonna be in Tampa at the Hyatt. But there's so many Hyatts in Tampa, so you have to check Team Garner, Gardner Productions. It's called Hurricane Bay. The competition, the name of the show is Hurricane Bay, B-A-Y, Hurricane. So do your homework and it's in there. You will find it, because I don't have that stuff in my head. I hope Denise, yes, there is 2 more, but you know what? Denise, you know what I mean. You know I'm natural. That's all I can say. I have stories to tell you about that, but I can't do it in camera. Amazing. The Lord is awesome. The Lord is awesome. So, let me brush my hair. Oh yes, Denise, if I tell you something that happened to me this weekend, I was listening and I was praising the Lord, how the Lord reveals the things why you do the things you do, or why we do the things that we tell us to do, and we obey, and then later on we find the reason why without you even asking. It just comes as a revelation. I want to publicly thank you, Dr. Josefina. I have been working out. Oh my God, corazoncito. Oh my God. I have been working out and my hip pain is gone. My hip pain and due to arthritis is gone. Wow, corazoncito, absolutely. You keep moving, you keep exercising. Denise, I cannot say it in public at all because if somebody just confides something in me, I can tell you privately. Denise? Yeah, because you know, yeah. Anyhow, Denise, estamos chismosas. No, somebody just told me something that it was like what it confirmed the reason why I don't do me too privately. Oh my God, we do Zoom. Denise, buddy, we do Zoom. But it confirms me why I do. Me too. This is Sonia. Why it's better to do natural. It's better to do natural. It's better to do natural. Yes, I tell you guys. Because I think you deserve to know because you've been supporting me for such a long time and you know. Let me show you what you know. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's funny. Oh, low battery. Okay, the telephone says low battery. What's new? Well, my friends, here's the beautiful sunrise. Let me say something in Latino world. Buenos días. Ay. Se nos está acabando la batería. Okay, I'm gonna finish because there's no battery. Pau, latinas, no hay batería. Pau. Para mis latinas les iba a dejar un mensaje, pero hey, el teléfono no tiene batería. Yo estoy llena de batería. Yo estoy full, pero el teléfono no. Con eso yo digo Pau, tú dices wow, Pau. Mira. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Okay. Zoom. Sonia. Chismosas. Somos chismosas. Okay, my friends. Yeah. Thank you, corazoncito. Keep moving, mommy. That is awesome. Yes, I completely agree. You keep moving, you don't have any arthritis problem. Me too. Sena. Okay, my friends. Low battery. Gotta go. I love you. Pow. See you tomorrow. Bye.